Now, this little guy, first of all, Ruvio, the brand, has become so popular. And this is their lightweight cordless handheld vacuum so that you will be prepared for any mess with a cordless hand vac. And let me tell you, if you don't have a good cordless hand vac, this changes your life because you really do end up using it 15 times a day. And this one is light, it's slim, it's compact, cordless, but super powerful. And the price today is phenomenal. That goes away at the end of the day, though. So take advantage, plus free shipping and handling, which is another like $11 off the top. This is a $165 value because the vacuum alone is normally $135. So get this, we're saving $25 on the vacuum alone, and we're getting a whole entire accessories kit that is on that side right there. That's another $30. So it's a good value. And there's just one color, the white. There it is. And there's beautiful Kylie. So Kylie, let's talk about it. What is it that the kit that comes with it?
So normally when you see Ruvio at retail, it's not the Pro version, and it only comes with the docking station. This is how you charge it up. So it's going to live here, the crevice tool, and an additional filter. But here at QVC, why it's such an incredible value is we're going to give you the accessory kit that gives you the long reach tool. So this is for up high, down low, underneath things like washers, dryers, refrigerators, all the areas that are tough to clean. You're also going to get that tough bristle brush, which is awesome, an upholstery tool right here, and then a secondary way to charge it up, which is with the car charger, because this is an amazing vac for your car. But as you said, Ro, it is lightweight. You're not tethered to a cord. It weighs 1.2 pounds, so where you might take your big upright vacuum out once or twice a week, you're going to grab your Ruvio Pro, like you said, 15 times a day.
Let's get to cleaning and see the power of this little guy.
Yeah, so it's got all the bells and whistles of your big upright vacuum. So cyclonic technology, HEPA filtration, ultra powerful, great capacity, quick charge. So when you charge it up, it's only going to take 2.5 hours to charge. And it's great for the everyday things like the kibbles and the cereals. But how about the stuff maybe you don't want to put in your big upright vacuum? The kitty litter, that's kind of a little gross that you've got around the litter box. Maybe it's that coffee because it's early in the morning and you grab that box and it goes flying everywhere. Now, instead of taking out that big upright vacuum, we vacuumed it up. You're not tethered to a cord, easy to empty. And that's why people love this, because it's just such a great vac.
Okay, and it's actually really cute.
Yes.
So it's going to be out either on the counter or in a little corner in the kitchen or in the living room, and leave it charged up all the time. And like you said, well, oh, this is another great way to see the power.
I want you guys to pay attention to the dust cup right here, because this is really going to show you the power and that cyclonic technology. So quick charge on, here it goes. And you can see how that cyclonic technology is keeping that dirt away from that filtration system. This is something you would normally see in your big uprights, but we've got the power of the pros inside this Ruvio. So I'm going to clean all this up. You're going to notice how it gathers at the top. Wow. And what's so great about it is, watch when I turn it off, how it all releases. All of that dust is away from that filtration system. And again, power of the pros with this, because gone are the days of using those kind of handhelds where they wind down, they lose power. You've got a great battery in here. It'll run 15 to 20 minutes on one charge. And again, it's a quick charge, so it charges up in 2.5 hours.
So yeah, the car, but you think about it, the boat, the RVs, this is perfect for all of those places. And who did this?
I know. Well, I mean, that's life, right? The better we live life, the messier it gets. So here's how you would charge it in your car. So at home, leave it in that docking station. It'll charge up. In your vehicle, you've got this great charger right here, which is awesome. You're going to see it's a slim profile, so it's going to go right inside of your little cubbies, your little cup holders, down in those areas. One of the other cool things, you've got a built-in dusting brush on here, so if you need to do any of the high-touch stuff, that always lives there. But I'll go to the front of the mat and pull this back and show you just how powerful this is. So this is a rubber mat. You can see when we get there, you can hear that suction change. It wants to pick up this mat. That's how great this is. I'm going to hold it so it doesn't go flying. But even in those kind of raised areas, the little nooks and crannies, the type of spots where it would be a little hard for other vacs to get down, you can see what a fabulous job it does. And this is sawdust, Ro. This is a super fine particulate. But this could be the rock salt. This could be the dog fur if you take your pets to the vet. This could be all the needles that we're bringing in. So you can kind of see that before and after that we have.
That is an incredible demo. Just with this demo right here, you can see the power. That is super fine sawdust.
Yes.
And inside these crevices, which are a nightmare to get to. And sometimes even when you do go over it, like if you use those vacuums at the car wash, there's still pieces stuck. Look at this. That is pristine. Pristine also is the price because it's a $165 value.
Yeah.
The machine alone is $135. We're paying $110 for everything. So that means you're saving $25 on the vacuum, plus you're getting the $30 kit thrown in with all of the accessories that really you can use it in so many different places, as you can see right there.
Floor to ceiling, up high, down low, whether it's staying in the kitchen, whether you're using it in the kids' room, whether you're taking it out to the car. It truly is that vac that you're going to grab for multiple times a day because it's always out and ready to clean for you. It's sitting out on your countertop. You can easily grab it. So again, dust brush built in. So if you're going to do things like high touch areas, the touch screens, it's amazing for. Maybe you've got something like this, the vents. You can see how that dust brush gets inside of here too. We've got pet messes over here, which I love. Those are your everyday kind of things that you need to clean up. So we've got the kibble, we've got the litter, and again, we can clean these super easy. Litter goes in here, there goes the kibble, ultra powerful. I know this is true to your heart.
This is me. This is what I use this for.
Yes. You've got the little kiddos. You can see all that little cereal mess that they make. And one attachment I want to touch on in this last minute too is this guy right here. This is the best attachment that ever lived because it's going to ensure that you go high and down low. And I'm actually going to sneak over on this side row just to show everybody. Imagine underneath this table, this is your fridge, right? You can't get underneath this. When we turn this on, look at the reach that we have. We can literally go almost all the way to the back of there because of how low profile it is. So whether it's up high, down low.
Oh, that is so good.
Yeah, the areas that you can't clean underneath, now you can do it with ease with something that's 1.2 pounds, really powerful, has every accessory you could need, and you're just loving it.
Thanks for teaching us that. That's really good.
This is the best accessory
that has ever lived.
Yeah.
So pick up your Ruvio. This price goes away at the end of the day, plus the free shipping and handling also goes away. So take advantage. These savings are phenomenal, and the cleaning that you're going to be able to do with this is even more. V57329 is the item number. Thanks, Kai. And coming up in 15